Since I keep making handmade soaps, sometimes I don't succeed in making the desired pattern just once. It's a way to throw away valuable soaps. I will cut them into pieces and recycle them. In addition, soap scraps can be reused. I remember on the first day of class, the teacher said something impressed me deeply. There is nothing to waste in the soap. Instead, all those scraps can be recycled. Today I will teach you how to recycle household soap. By soap scraps can be used for washing dishes and clothes.